there today. I'm excited to share some incredible tips with you on how to supercharge your seedling plant growth. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or just starting out, these methods will help you get those plants thriving in no time. So let's dive right in. Before we jump into the secrets of rapid plant growth, let's understand why it's important. Faster growth means healthier, stronger plants that can resist pests and diseases better. Plus, who doesn't love seeing their garden flourish quickly, right? Imagine this, planting tiny seeds and watching them burst into life, growing faster than you thought possible. That's exactly what we'll achieve together. So, let's start with the first step. 1. Quality seeds. Step 1 is all about the foundation, choosing high-quality seeds. Look for seeds from reputable suppliers. Good seeds have a higher chance of germinating quickly and growing strong. Quality seeds are like the best ingredients for a recipe. They set the stage for success. Always check the seed packet for information on planting depth and spacing. 2. Ideal growing conditions. Next up, let's talk about the right growing conditions. Most plants love sunlight, so find a sunny spot for your seedlings. Water regularly, but don't drown them. Think of it like giving your plants a drink, not a swim. Sunlight is food for plants, and water keeps them hydrated. It's all about balance, just like how we need food and water to thrive. 3. Nutrient-rich soil. Now, on to step 3, nutrient-rich soil. Plants need good soil to grow quickly. Mix in some compost or organic fertilizer to give your seedlings a nutrient boost. Soil is like a plant's home. If it's cozy and nourishing, your plants will grow happily and rapidly. Think of it as a comfy bed for your little seedlings. 4. Proper air circulation. Step 4 is often overlooked, but crucial: proper air circulation. Seedlings need fresh air to thrive. A gentle fan or good ventilation will prevent diseases and promote sturdy growth. Imagine being in a stuffy room versus a fresh, breezy space. Plants feel the same way. Good airflow keeps them healthy and growing strong. 5. Regular pruning. Lastly, step 5, regular pruning. Don't be afraid to trim your seedlings. This encourages new growth and helps them focus their energy efficiently. Pruning is like giving your plants a haircut. It keeps them tidy and encourages lush, bushy growth. Plus, it's oddly satisfying. Congratulations! You now have the tools to rapidly increase your seedling plant growth. Remember, it's all about creating the perfect environment for your plants to flourish. So go ahead, grab your seeds and get planting. With these tips, you'll be amazed at how quickly your garden transforms into a green paradise. Thanks for joining me today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more gardening tips. Happy gardening, and I'll see you next time.